Yes, you know that tuples we already studied. Tuples are immutable. It's a sequence of, you can store any sequence of data inside a tuple. A tuple consists of number of values which are separated by comma and enclosed in parentheses. And the elements of the tuples are heterogeneous. Heterogeneous means elements can be of, say, any data type. Elements in a tuples can be of any data type. That is known as heterogeneous. And tuples are immutable. See that you can write a tuple in this way. H is equal to 34, 56, 44. So that means multiple values are represented to copy into a tuple named H. It is not a single value assignment. This is considered as a tuple. After assigning this one, if you type, if you use type H, that will be tuple itself. The type of that H will be tuple. And if you are writing a single element into a tuple, then that element must be end with a comma. See here, I am writing a single element into the tuple. T equal to 990, comma. So this means it's a single element. Otherwise, it will be considered as a parenthesized expression. So single element in a tuple must be end with a comma. Now see that an empty tuple can be created by using the function tuple. You can convert any other sequence into a tuple by using the function tuple. See, one example is written over there. T equal to tuple of sequence. So sequence is a string which can be converted into a tuple in this format by using the function tuple. Next, individual elements of a tuple can be accessed by using its index. By using its index position, you can access the individual element of a tuple. Similar to list, we can slice a tuple also. That means you can extract a subset of a tuple. You can use plus, into, in and not in operator along with the tuple. Plus sign is used to concatenate two tuples. Or you can add one element into the tuple by using the plus sign. So if it is a single element, you have to end it with a comma. And tuples can be replicated by using multiplication operator. So operator that can be used along with the tuple are plus, into, in and not in. These are the operators that can be used along with the tuple. Now we can see what are the different functions that can be used along with the tuple. The first one is len. Len is used to find the total number of elements in the tuple. Second function, see that any. Any is used to check whether any element is available inside the tuple or not. Any is a function, it will return a true or false value. If it has some element is there, then that function will return true. If there is no element or if the tuple is empty, then it will return the value false. And next function, min and max. Min and max is used to find the minimum and maximum element from the tuple. So if you are using min and max, all the elements of the tuple must be of same data type. If the elements are of mixed data type, it shows the error message. All the elements must be of same data type. And the next function is sorted. Sorted is used to sort the content of the list. Content of the list can be sorted by using the function sorted. And the return value of the sorted function is a list, not a tuple. The return value of the sorted function must be a list. And you can delete the entire tuple by using the function del. Using the function, you can delete the entire content of a tuple. Now we can see the different methods that is used along with the tuple. Count, which we already studied in the list. Count is a method used to count how many times a specified element will present in the tuple. Second is index. Index is used to find the position of an element inside the tuple. It returns the position of the element inside the tuple. If the specified element is not there in the tuple, then it will return an error message. Now, next we can compare two tuples by using relational operator. So by using relational operator, we can compare two tuples. See that one example is written over there. T equal to this tuple, T1 is another one, and T greater than T1. So it is actually comparison by element comparison. For it will take the first element from the first tuple and first element from the second tuple. And it will check which one is the greatest one. If both are equal, it will go and take the second element from both the tuple. So it depends on the value of the tuple element, it will decide whether true or false value. So here T greater than T1. So here T is 9. T1 value is 90. 9 greater than 90, condition false. So that is why it's returned the value false. So that is all about tuple. Okay. So these are the main functions that can be used along with the tuple. Tuple is immutable. That is all about tuple.